There's been a 300% increase in demand letters to businesses with inaccessible websites. Why the upsurge? The Department of Justice now mandates that websites comply with the same ADA rules as physical businesses, making it more crucial than ever to ensure your website is accessible. At the Art of Online Marketing, we've partnered with an industry-leading ADA compliance solution to provide you with peace of mind. Our partner has an impeccable record. They have never lost an ADA compliance lawsuit, and neither have any of their clients to date who have installed their software proactively. But it's not just about avoiding fines. Making your website accessible is also about supporting people with disabilities and ensuring everyone can access your content. It's about being inclusive and showing that your business values all its customers. Our ADA compliance software ensures your website meets ADA, WCAG 2.1, Level AA, and Section 508 standards. It includes an accessibility statement and certification, daily maintenance and rescans of your site, and automatic adjustments for screen readers, color, display, and navigation. This solution is significantly more affordable than dealing with legal challenges, which can cost between $10,000 and $75,000. Here's what's included. Compliance with WCAG 2.1 guidelines, custom code for your website, profiles for seizure safety, vision impairment, cognitive disabilities, and more. And last but not least, monthly accessibility reports saved in your account. Start protecting your business and support all users by making your website accessible. Sign up for our ADA compliance software and avoid costly legal issues while making your website welcoming for everyone. Call us at 800-764-8528 or visit artofonline.com to get started. Ensure your website is accessible and compliant today.